Hey, it's Shanna with Shanna's Y Wrap Jewelry. We're going to do something a little different today and make this adorable mini photo frame holder with these little mini wires that hold pictures that are maybe printed out at 1 inch by 1.5 inches or so. It's just super cute. So what you need are some little cuts of some little branches. We got these from our front yard and I just used a chop saw and cut them. You need 18 gauge wire. Use a fun color or just use silver. It's up to you. You need some standard jewelry making tools, and then you're going to need a drill with a little drill bit that will allow your wire to go into the wood, as well as just a little drop of glue. So let's go ahead and get started. The one we're going to make today has these 3 little music-inspired little photo frames. You can see just how tiny the pictures are, but once they're placed in here, it's so cute. And then you can bend those how you want. Maybe this one was over here. Cute, right? All right, let's show you how to do this. You need 18 gauge wire. And we're going to start with this double music note here. You're going to start by making a turn. And then you're going to go straight over. Straight down. Okay, here we need to make the back so it will hold the actual picture. So make this just go wrap around. You're going to do a circle. And then right in the middle, you're going to take this straight down. And so you'll see when you put a picture in there, it's going to hold it nicely. See how cute? And then this just can be as long as you want it to be. I cut it maybe 2.5 inches or so. All right, let's go on to the second one. We're going to do this little single music note. And at the very top, I want you to take this straight down. And then this, bring it straight out. And then straight down. And then we're going to trim off some excess here. That's going to be the top of our music note. And then down here, there's our music note, and then we just need to make a little circle so it will hold our picture. Let's try to make it kind of round. You're not going to see that once the picture is in there, and then take your wire straight down and cut it about the same length as our other one. So cute. Adorable. Okay, our last one is the treble clef. This one's a little trickier, but I'm sure you can do it. Okay, I'm going to leave some excess wire on the end, maybe about 1.5 inches. And I'm going to start making the middle of the treble clef. And then the bottom of the treble clef here, come around. And then I'm going to cut this about the length that I cut the other ones. But then this piece of wire here needs to hold our photo. So let's bring it around. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Perfect. Okay, so select your piece of wood. You can cut them all kinds of different lengths. You can put one per piece of wood, or we're going to do 3 today. So I'm just going to choose this piece right here. And then we're going to drill 3 holes. And there we go. And then what you'll want to do is just put a little bit of glue in each hole so they don't spin around, and just let it set and dry. So let me get that. Before I glue this in, I just want to cut this one just a little bit shorter. I like this one that's a little bit taller, this one's slightly shorter, and I want this one to be the same height as the other one. So I'm going to take it out and trim just a little bit. And I'm sure that'll be good. I happen to have some wood glue here. Probably just even Elmer's glue will be fine just to hold. And just put a tiny bit on the ends. Just kind of work the glue in there. And we'll wipe off the excess. This wood glue doesn't really dry clear like an Elmer's would, but this is all I have, and it works really good. But you're going to want to remove the excess wire, remove the excess glue from the wire, and then just kind of set it into place the way you want it.